You know the place value. We are just adding a couple more to our place value. We are going up through a billion, 100 billions, I guess. 100 billion. It's hard for us to think of 100 billion because there's very few things we ever deal with that have 100 billion of them. But here's what it would look like. Let's do this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm at what? Millions now? I go one more. 9, 8, 7. That should be billions, right? We've got the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then we get to the billions. 1 billion's place, the 10 billion's place, the 100 billions place. Okay, we call this is the billions group, or the billions, I think they call it a period. Isn't that what it is? This is the millions group. This is the thousands group. You can read that, is that it? And this is just the units. Why am I getting going all crazy on you there? And the reason, boys and girls, we use commas is so that we can easily read this and easily separate that. Because if I gave you this, and I said, all right, Sittler, read me that number I just wrote down there.
763 billion 932
Yeah, no. And maybe it becomes more clear if I put commas in here. Okay, first of all, this number doesn't go out to the billions, it only goes out to the millions place, because there's only 6 of them. And it makes it a whole lot easier when you see commas in there, because you know you start reading this whole group first, 763,982,418. You don't have to say units, but that's what it is. But without commas, you'd start, I mean, especially if I go even farther. What if I did 5, 4, 6, 9, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 4, 8. And I asked you to read that. I asked you to read that, Matt.
546 billion 902.
But you're getting a little confused because I don't have quite that many digits there, right, Layton? It's actually what?
54 billion 693 million 218,000 740.
Right. But I should have commas in here because that helps me. Once I look at that, I get the grouping of how it's supposed to be. I see that there's nothing in the 100 billions place, so I don't say 100 billions. It's 54 billion 693 million 218,648. In this number here, what digits in the 100,000s place? 100,000s place in this number right here. 100,000s place. Well, the 9. What digits in the 10 millions place, Chase?
6.
6. What digits in the hundreds place, Joseph?
4.
4. What digits in the tens place? Cassie? 1. And it seems like you got it, but again, you really desperately need to put those commas in there because that makes it very, very easy for you to separate it. And you're going to have to write these numbers out. I think they call them periods. Do they call them periods? We've done expanded notation, right?
Yes.
If the book asks you this, what does the digit 3 stand for in this number here? What does that 3 stand for? Not just 3, but you should write down it stands for 3 million, because it's in the millions place. That's what this 3 stands for. So make sure rather than say 3 or whatever.